Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's your girl Chanel back in the building. Yes, so tonight me and my boyfriend are gonna shop, is it? So we're gonna go supermarket and go buy up some snacks and some other things, you know. So we're well prepared for the hurricane. So we're gonna buy a whole heap of things. Not whole heap though, but whole heap of things. So guys, before we get there, I want you guys to please like this video, share it to your friends. Please to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the post notification bell once you're new to the channel. That's it. Alright, so stay tuned. So guys, we finally reached at the supermarket, but guess what about me? We come and the supermarket lock. Them about to lock up right now. I just some snack really come here to buy, you know, but before I don't buy up the groceries them already, you know, but boyfriend didn't want to buy some snacks so we eat too. I just snack them we didn't want to buy, guys, but we're going to wait the can see where them up to it. I don't know why you choose to come over here. So guys, stay tuned. We're going to go up there and see if we can get some respect. So guys, we couldn't get nothing, so basically we just have to skip out the snack part. But other from that, we well prepared still. We have everything already in our house to eat. You see it? We don't have a chopper in already put up. So I just snack them with the one buy, you see. I should have come earlier, you know. When my boyfriend the same one buy snack still. I never made the plan to buy snack. Alright, basically me and him the plan, but I him they come up with it. Alright, so guys, we just the right to start relax, you know, chill with my mother and my boyfriend. See them over there, so. Guys. Alright. See the people them over there, so they. We just do one little vlog out there. Over the park with them guys. And sit down and relax. Yep.
I think shelter there for people, you know.
And try to not worry, man. I just them snack they can do without. Although sometimes we feel like we pick on something as if we want to suck until food ready. You get me, Richard? I know say they want to buy the snack them, and I understand, cause what if you're hungry and dinner already? You don't want to eat one little biscuit or you know? But we have crackers that we had and tuna. You don't have to worry yourself, Richard. When you want the snack too, you know, just go and vlog lives. Not glides, guys. What you want to say to them? Guys, Richard heartbroken, meaning him disappointed. That happened to me enough time, you know, Richard.
And the people in the supermarket, them want to go home to
yeah, that's a lot of workplace over early. Only for people work over early, you know. Yeah, look from when them here. Try buy up on the things, guys. Look from when someone here for buy up on the things. Actually, look over there, so. Actually, people them buy up them water store. Look over there, so. Actually, crowded. A big crowd over there, so actually, the water them buy, you know. Why? I got some big plan. I just think to snap them when they want to buy. Should I beg my father buy them, you know? But I Richard, want to buy the snack them still, guys. But me not wrong him still, you know. Me not wrong him. I just want to go vlog me I do, guys. Just
zoop them, I zoop that.
and the water no kill me.
I'm bored. And them are paying me to me hold the camera too long. I'm gonna put the camera right this way. It's a go on video still now, mommy. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I am fearfully and wonderfully made. I have potential. I will, I must be the best version of myself. Faith without work is dead, and work without faith is also dead. You get me? Sometimes just say some positive things over your life, yeah. Always, not sometimes, always. You hear that, guys? Respect. So guys, remember, you know, so we're well prepared for the hurricane. We're gonna come tomorrow, you know.
about 4 grand.
Although you know must come, but I feel say that one I go come for real. Sometimes them say hurricane I go come in and it not come in or it go back. Sometimes the hurricane them turn back. But I feel say that one I not turn back. We well prepared for Hurricane Beryl, you know, guys. We well prepared. We didn't want a little snack them too, you know. Still, yeah man, we didn't want a little snack them. Cause what if dinner not ready? And we want to snack them for one munch pan. You see it till dinner ready. But we not for worry still, cause other things now us can eat till dinner ready. Not for worry. Feel good, you see, guys.
And they buy 2 chapati, they say 20.
The time hot today. The time always hot. Always hot in the summer start. The time just to get hotter and hotter each year. I don't know why. The only time when it's so hot, unless when it's December. Unless when it's Christmas time, them time cool and nice. A be a time I use another video, you know. Be a time here, so time. Guys, remember to like, share and comment and subscribe for those that never subscribe. And remember to turn on the post notification bell once you're new. I'm a little vlog I say I go do another night. I talk about the hurricane. Researcher, you know what I say now? You know what I say now? You born Richard, I understand how you feel, man. I know you go want your little snack them for go and munch pan till dinner ready tomorrow or breakfast ready. So then you can go shop, Richard, but shop snack them there. Hear them a beat down the door. Them a cuss over there, guys, for water. Hear them over there argue over water.
Mad people, them.
We not like them something here, you know, guys.
No, I'll probably tell them come from work.
Them disorganized, brother. Them wait till the dead time.
Some of them were now over.
Not dead time, deadline. Them wait till the deadline. A joke and a lime, a time. A line, me for say not lime.
But then just get paid. We just get paid today.
You don't beat down the place. Them people are not easy, you know.
We just get paid today.
We can't do without water, guys.
I mean, no one else will get paid today.
Them people are wait till the deadline. Whatever you want to call it. Deadline, dead time and deadline.
No, look at it.
Alright, but don't have file lime thing, guys.
Look at it, look
I don't
at
have my phone.
Over there so crowded.
No.
So yeah, we are dumbing for.
How much people over there so? Buy water.
Shane, what time look on your phone? I can see.
Hold on, I can't look on the time right now. Show me a vlog. Man, I bun me a flip. Be a mum leave me up the so. You there?
The time them turn up this buy water, they could have go catch water. And then
You know, easy no mommy. So guys, we will prepare for the Hurricane Beryl.
And that moon come do now, come buy water, you know.
We will prepare, you know, guys. We will prepare for Beryl.
Yes, sir.
We'll prepare tomorrow.
Yes, so she come buy her water.
Oh, we think say. Yes, sir, our husband is dead.
Yeah.
So
sometimes them say hurricane I go come and not no come. Sometimes hurricane turn back in and I must come, you know.
Downstairs.
I feel say it I go come, man. Tomorrow hurricane I go come.
Me not ask him.
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the live, but not the live, the video. But before I end the video, guys, please to follow my Instagram. My Instagram username is Chanel2569 _ and my TikTok page is Shen_that_ifilm. Just follow that TikTok account them. We know I have only a page, it's not on TikTok, and only a Instagram page. But we just choose figure one, go on one on my Instagram page for no follow, and one on my TikTok page for no follow. Hear the Marcos.
Put more less boring, bro. Especially around yourself.
Yeah, man, put more boring sometimes. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video.
Alive?
No, I didn't.